Welcome to yoga class, and if you're subscribed, welcome back. It is so lovely to have you back again. Okay, let's get started. Join me at the top of your mat, hips facing forward in mountain pose. Step back with whichever foot that will keep you facing towards me. Face your hips towards the long side of the mat, toes towards the long side of the mat. Notice the weight in your feet. Shift your feet until the weight is balanced between your heel and the ball of your foot. Outstretch your arms and extend through your fingertips, reaching and opening your chest. Notice if you're leaning towards one side of your mat or the other. Keep your core strong and imagine a string from the crown of your head pulling your spine straight. Adjust your feet so now both of them are 45-degree angle facing outward. Bend at your knees, sit back slightly in a squat. Keep your hips open as much as you can. Use your hands to continue to push open your knees and open your hips. Bend to one side and the other. To adjust your hips a little more, outstretch your arms and hold goddess pose. Pull your belly button towards your spine. Keep a straight back. Place your hands on the ground directly in front of you, strong gripping fingers. Straighten your legs, rise your hips up towards the sky, and fold forward in your first pancake. Continue to relax over your legs, adjusting from one side to the other, wiggling out any sort of kinks, and settle into your first forward fold. If you have moved your hands, replace them to the ground in front of you. Scoot your feet in towards each other and squat all the way down into a malasana pose. Use your glutes to pull open your legs, expanding your hips. Make sure that your heels are pressed into the ground and keep a straight, long spine. Replace your hands back onto the ground and slowly make your way onto your knees. Seated back on your heels, keep your knees wide apart. That way your hands can fit in between your knees. Press your palms into the ground, fingers facing towards you. From here, cat-cow. Next, inhale. Push your chest through your shoulders and look out. Exhale, look down and hunch your shoulders. Let this ripple through your spine with every breath. You may want to stay in the cow pose. Adjust your jaw and also loop your neck around. Both of these stretches feel really good in this lion pose. Place both of your hands to your right side. fingers facing the short side of your mat. Adjust your chest so it is facing towards your hand and straighten your right leg back behind you. Bend your left knee so you're now in pigeon pose. Elongate your spine by tucking your tail, and if you feel any pressure in your back right knee, tuck your back right toes. Shift your weight to your left front hand. Then reach back with your right hand. Try to bend your right knee so that you can tap your foot to your hand. If at any point, maybe you would like to grab that foot, it's also 100% okay to continue to work on that muscle. Strength and flexibility are two different objectives. If you have grabbed the foot, release it and straighten both legs out in front of you, not hip distance, slightly more than hip distance, but not at your max. Flex your feet so the backs of your legs are further engaged. Melt and fold in between your legs, slowly walking your fingertips further away. At any point, you might need to pull out of it. Adjust whatever you need. Then, with a straight back, fold at your hips, keeping your tummy up towards your spine as you elongate forward. As you use your core, walk your hands back. Now you should be in a seated position, and you just finished your second pancake. Bend your right knee, place your hands on the ground on the outside of your right knee, and straighten your left leg out behind you on the mat. You should be in a pigeon pose. Protect your lower spine by tucking your tail. Pull your spine straight using your arms and your chest, and tuck your back toes. Shift your weight into your right hand. Reach your left hand back behind you and tap your left foot onto your left hand. Continue to do this for as long as you like. And maybe you might try grabbing your foot and relaxing deeper into this stretch. Your choice, working on muscle or flexibility. Release your back left foot, place your hands on the long side of the mat, and slowly adjust yourself so you're now facing the long side of the mat with your legs extended in front of you. Try to open them as far as you can to the max of your pancake flexibility. Keep your knees rotated up towards the sky and keep a straight back as you fold at the waist. Pull your belly button in towards your spine and engage your feet to keep your knees safe. Keep your weight up on your fingertips to help you from slouching. You want to keep a straight back, no melting. One hand at a time, walk yourself back up into a seated position. Pull your legs out of this pose and lay on your back for Shavasana. Whenever you're ready, tuck your knees up to your chest. Maybe you want to rock a little bit this time, and then roll to your side. Push yourself up to a seated position and open your eyes whenever you're ready. That was so wonderful. I love pancake splits, especially in the morning with an eggs cat. Anyway, okay, I'm just being silly. All right, I hope that you have a wonderful, wonderful rest of your day, and hopefully you'll subscribe because it's free for you and it really helps my channel. Thank you so much. I'll see you again. Bye.